back out in the forest. It's like August 8th, and it's been bloody hot during the days, so not out here that much during the day. But let me turn you around, show what we're going to do today. So if you remember from last year, we had a giant wood stack here, and we burned, I don't know, half, 2/3. Look at a little bare over here. Got some nice dry wood. Those are our tarps. It's that time of year, so we have been cutting. We've got a pile over there. We have a big pile over here. And I cleared off this for fire danger and want to redo the fire stacks over there. So what I thought to come out here to do now that it's a little cooler is I'm going to try to straighten this up. It's hard to see, but part of this is starting to fall. It's just what happens during the year. Stuff hits it, whatever. It gets loose. As it dries, it gets smaller. So I'm going to try to reinforce this menage and then try to stack some of this over there. That's the huge plan for the day. So there's the before, and here's the stack here, and the stack here. So let's get going. So I feel good. Probably did about 1/3 of this pile here, so I'm feeling good. And this always makes my heart sing when I get this. Got it restacked nice. Got the old stuff in the back there because that's always where I come from the gate to get it to load the guest suite, which is right there. So yeah, I got about 2 stacks here, so I feel good. It looks good, and makes me feel better. I just love order. Anyway, so there you go. I don't know, what was that? Hour and a half, whatever. Sweaty. It's still warm out here. It's probably high 80s still, but I'm gonna go take a shower. Hope you guys are well. I'm Rep Jones, living forest life, and hope you guys are well. All right, you guys, take care.